Simon says subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications.
Next, let's look at the trim function of SQL. First is Rtrim. The PostgreSQL Rtrim function removes all specified characters from the right-hand side of a string. The syntax is as follows. Rtrim, open brackets, string, comma, space, trim underscore character, close brackets. String is the next field or text to trim from, while trim underscore character is the set of characters to be removed from the right side of the string. If no characters are provided, the rtrim function will simply trim spaces from the right-hand side of the string. Let's look at how it is applied on a simple string. Navigate to pgadmin's query window and type the script. Select in capital letters, space, rtrim in capital letters, open brackets, open single quotes, dash, 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 SQL in capital letters, space, course with C in capital letters, dash, 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 close single quotes, comma, open single quotes, dash, close single quotes, close brackets. Run the script once done. As we can see from the output, rtrim only removes characters from the right-hand side of the string. All occurrence of dashes on the right end was removed, but those from the left end were retained. Next, let's try to rtrim without using any character parameters. Type, select in capital letters, space, rtrim in capital letters, open brackets, open single quotes, space, SQL in capital letters, space, course with C in capital letters, space, close single quotes, close brackets. Execute the script once typed. If you double-click on the data output, the spaces after the string SQL space course was trimmed out, but the leading spaces are still there. This shows that if no characters are provided in the parameter, the rtrim will remove spaces on the right end of the text. Do take note that since this is a string function, the expression or field must either be a char, varchar, or text for the function to work properly. Otherwise, you will need to convert them to a string data type first. Ltrim. Ltrim is the counterpart of the rtrim function, where it is used to remove spaces or set of characters which are matching with the trimming character from the left side or the start of a string. Its syntax is Ltrim, open brackets, space, string, comma, space, trim underscore character, space, close brackets. Same with rtrim. String is the field or text to trim from, while the trim underscore character is the set of characters to be removed from the left side. If no characters are indicated, Ltrim will remove spaces. Let's try it on PostgreSQL by typing select in capital letters, space, Ltrim in capital letters, open brackets, open single quotes, dash, 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 SQL in capital letters, space, course with C in capital letters, dash, 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 close single quotes, comma, open single quotes, dash, close single quotes, close brackets. The function removed the dashes from the left part, but retained the characters on the right side. Rtrim and Ltrim are great for cleaning or removing characters in a specific direction of the text. Another way of trimming characters in PostgreSQL is the trim function. With the trim function, you can remove the longest string containing a character from the start, end, or both the start and end of a string. This means that you can apply Ltrim, Rtrim, or both using this function, but its syntax is just a bit longer, which is composed of trim in capital letters, open brackets, leading in capital letters, / trailing in capital letters, / both in capital letters, space, trim underscore character, space, from in capital letters, space, string, close brackets. In this function, you need to specify which part you want to trim first. Use leading to remove characters from the left, trailing to remove from the right, or both to remove characters from both ends of the string. Trim underscore character is the set of characters to remove. If no characters are indicated, it will trim spaces, while string is the text expression or field to trim from. Let's use it on a query by typing select trim in capital letters, open brackets, both in capital letters, space, open single quotes, dash, close single quotes, space, from in capital letters, space, open single quotes, dash, 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 SQL in capital letters, space, course with C as a capital letter, dash, 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 close single quotes, close brackets. Since we explicitly told it to trim both ends of the string, the query resulted in the text SQL space course, where dashes from both the left and right end are removed from the original text. You can make this function like an Ltrim if you replace the keyword both with leading, and make it function like an Rtrim if you replaced the keyword with trailing. Another handy string function in PostgreSQL is pattern matching. You can use this method to output the records that contain or match a specific pattern of characters. For example, if you wanted to get the company names in a field, you would need to filter the strings that end with a suffix of corp, ltd, or inc. One of the approaches to pattern matching is the traditional SQL-like operator. The PostgreSQL-like operator helps us to match text values against patterns using wildcards. The like expression returns true if the string is contained in the set of strings represented by pattern. Its syntax is string space like in capital letters space pattern. String is the field or text expression, while pattern is a set of strings that you want to find in the string. Like pattern matches always cover the entire string. To match a pattern anywhere within a string, the pattern must therefore start and or end with a wildcard character. PostgreSQL provides you with two wildcards. %, matches any sequence of 0 or more characters. _ matches any single character. For example, let's look at how we can apply this to the animal underscore names data set. Open a new query window in PostgreSQL and type select in capital letters, space, asterisk, space, from in capital letters, space, animal underscore names, space, where, space, common, space, like, space, in single quotes, %cat. This query will find all records that end with cat as its common name. Run the script to check the output. Since we specified a % at the start of the pattern, the query looked for all common names that end with cat. Notice how the output differs once we add another % to the pattern, but place it at the end of the cat string. Run the script to see the output. The total records now include not only the strings that end with cat, but those that contain cat in the middle of their name. For example, name ID 158 that has the name Ygritte, cattle was captured since it has cat in the center. The % symbol wildcard will match any sequence of characters when you use it in the pattern. But if you wanted to specify the number of characters in a pattern, you can use the underscore wildcard instead. In the query window, type select in capital letters, space, asterisk, space, from in capital letters, space, animal underscore names, space, where, space, common, space, like, space, pu underscore underscore. This query will find all animals in the dataset that start with pu and followed by 2 characters. Run the script to check the output. PostgreSQL found 2 records that match the pattern, the animals Puku and Puma.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full course that this video came from, click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.